Are you ready to ensure your drone is always flight-ready and compliant? Discover how systematic pre-flight inspections can prevent accidents and operational delays. Learn how eAuditor enhances drone safety through digital checks and corrective actions. Pre-flight inspections are crucial for verifying drone functionality and compliance. They ensure mechanical, electrical, and software systems are operational. Identifying issues before flight prevents in-flight failures. Comprehensive checks cover everything from drone ID to software. Maintaining audit-ready digital records is essential for regulatory compliance. Create digital checklists for drone identification and safety checks. Include customizable responses and evidence capture. Align inspections with aviation regulations and manufacturer guidelines. Use smart features for efficient inspections. Track corrective actions automatically for complete compliance. Check battery charge and condition thoroughly. Inspect propellers and airframe for any damage. Verify remote controller functionality and GPS readiness. Test sensors and cameras for optimal performance. Validate safety systems and emergency protocols to ensure safety. Ensure your drone has the latest firmware updates. Validate geofencing and communication links. Check flight planning software and mission parameters. Equip drones with essential safety gear like propeller guards. Always have emergency tools and personal protective equipment ready. Postpone flights for critical defects until resolved. Major defects require immediate repair and documentation. Monitor minor defects and schedule maintenance. Use eAuditor to record defects with photos and comments. Assign corrective actions and track them digitally for accountability. Conducting pre-flight inspections with eAuditor ensures drones are operational and safe. Standardized digital checks and corrective actions enhance compliance. You now know how to improve drone safety and reliability through systematic inspections.